This video I'm going to show you how to add meta description and keyword in WordPress website. It's a step-by-step guide. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So as you could see over here, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So currently I'm using Bluehost for hosting WordPress. I think so it's one of the best web hosting for WordPress. So currently right now I have a lot of websites, so I'm just gonna take one sample site, just go and log in. So to add the meta description and keyword in a WordPress website, so the basic steps are, the first thing is go on settings and general. So you need to add your keywords on your site title and your tagline. So if I go back to my website called yavarkhan.com, so the site title includes WordPress. As you could see over here on the top, learn how to build a WordPress website from scratch. So as you could see, there's the keyword over here. So make sure your site title includes the keyword as well as the tagline. Once that's done, you need to install an SEO plugin. So there are a lot of SEO plugins in the market, but I would suggest is Yoast Seo. So all you have to do is go on plugins, add new. Then once you add new, all you have to do is type SEO and enter. Once you do that, this is Yoast Seo. You need to install that. There are a lot of plugins, but when you're starting new, I would suggest just download Yoast Seo. Once you do that, just click on activate. So once it's activated, now all you have to do is again click on SEO on the left hand side, and then you need to set up your SEO, right? So once you click over here, just click on configuration wizard. So now you could say my website is live, click next. It's a blog, choose whatever the appropriate category is, then click next. Then it's a person, write your name, select a user. So for me it would be Yavar Khan, for you it would be your name. Next, yes, click next. No. Your website name, so make sure you put your keyword over here and then click. So I would just write keyword here, then click next, and that's it guys. So now whenever you're making a page or a post, so let's say we are making a post, so how to add the meta description on a post so you could get a lot of traffic on your website and people can know that, you know, Google can know that this is your website related to that keyword. So I'm just gonna show you. So this is your keyword over here, write your keyword over here. So this is the keyword and the title and your focus phrase. So as you could see right now, when we install the plugin, now you could see Yoast Seo focus key phrase. So you need to write the focus key phrase over here, and this is the meta description. This is what you see on Google. So let's say this is my website right now. So I'm just gonna give you an example. So I'll just log into my website. So this is my website right now. So I'm opening one of my posts, so I could give you a full explanation. So as you could see, this is my title. Okay, this is my title, this is my video. If I come scroll down, focus key phrase is best free theme for WordPress. This is my meta description. Everything's over there and it will tell you everything. Okay, so as you could see, this is the meta description. Click over here, you can fill the meta description, you can fill the title, and that's how it is. You need, whenever you're writing a blog post, you need to add images, you need to add. So if you see over here, documents, I have feature image as well. So that's how it is. And then you need to add the key phrase over here, which is the keyword. You need to add the SEO title. So basically this is a snippet on how it would look on Google. So desktop result would be like this. What is the best free theme for WordPress? Mobile result would be like this. Okay, so just make sure you add your SEO title, your meta description, and that's it. And there are pointers where it will tell you that, you know, everything is green. Make sure most of the things are green. So if I come over here right now, everything is red. Okay, a lot of improvement we could make. There are a lot of problems, so you need to fix it. And very simple, don't make it complicated. Just put your key phrase over here and your meta description over here, and that's it. And this is how you add meta description and keyword on your post, on your page, and on your WordPress website. And that's it for today's video. And if you're looking out, like, let's say you're confused to create a WordPress website, I've created a free training where I tell you exactly how you could build a WordPress website from scratch and optimize it as per Google. So everything's over here in this free course. And that's it for today's video, and I would see you in the next video. Yavar Khan signing off.